Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am GlamPreezy. I am so excited to be back behind the camera. Girl, I missed y'all. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, today I got some gems for y'all. I have been working on a couple of projects for you guys to help you along your hormone health and fibroid journey. You know I got you. If you want to hear the exciting news that I have for you, keep watching. Okay guys, hi, welcome. I have so many new subscribers, so hey girl, hey, I am GlamPreezy, and if you are a returning subby, oh my God, thank you so very much for your loyalty and continuing to follow my platform and for your patience, girl. It has been a while. It's been a while. Okay, all right, it's been a little while. Okay, I have a lot going on, but I am back and I am better than ever. But how have you guys been? I know that even though I took a break from filming, I've still been responding to a lot of your comments weekly. So I'm sure if you are a returning subscriber and you wrote me a comment, you did get a reply within these past few months. But I took a little break from filming, but I did not take a break on the fibroid work, my research, and the projects that I have been working on. But I did move to another state. So as you can see, my background is completely different. Bear with me while I work on my filming space, but this is what we got for now, okay? Not only did I move to a brand new state, I closed my business. I am now full-time dedicating my time to holistic wellness, fibroid awareness, functional nutrition. Again, as I mentioned in one of my last videos, I am going to be getting a certification in functional nutrition, but really still been focusing on this space. If I'm off camera, no, I got something that works, okay? I am always learning and ready to bring something of value to this space to help you guys, okay? Without further ado, come on in. Let's talk about it, girl. Okay, so we are in here. Hey girl, hey, welcome back. Yo, you guys, I am so excited. I cannot contain myself. But before we get started, I do want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed, because in 2024, I am really trying to bring some valuable things to the fibroid and hormonal wellness space. I would love for you to be a part of this journey. Please thumbs up this video, comment down below. Let me know how you've been. Have you missed me? Happy New Year, okay? Happy Valentine's Day. Happy birthday to me. Happy Black Women's Black History Month, okay? All the things, but let's just get into it. I have heard you guys. I spent a lot of time reading my comments, and some of you guys DM me on Instagram, which, by the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can definitely feel free to follow me on Instagram. Be forewarned, this Instagram is my personal Instagram, and it's really my outlet for my fashion and beauty, and it's really a place where I go to get away from, you know, but it's still me, okay? So please feel free to follow me over there, DM me. We are going to be creating a new Instagram for this new I am going to be creating a new Instagram for this new venture, and I will announce that when it is up. Okay. So I read you guys' comments, and one of the biggest requests was for meal plans. You guys wanted specific examples of meals that I have been eating to shrink and manage my fibroid and period symptoms. This took a lot of work. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, especially with me moving to a different state. I got it done for you. It is now live, okay? I have two options for you. I have a one-day complimentary, completely free meal plan. This is breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. It does not include recipes, okay? It's free, but it is a very realistic idea of what I eat in a day. Please don't be mistaken. All of the meals and recipes in here is something that I actually make and eat. I know things are a little rough and tough out here, okay? I get that, I understand that, and so that's why I wanted to kind of put that one out there so that you could take a look at it and see if it's something that you might want to try. However, I do have a 5-day meal plan: breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner, full with recipes, specific product suggestions, as well as my food guidelines that I like to live by as far as what type of food to purchase, what type of meat, what type of fish, what type of fruits, vegetables, all of that stuff is in there. Something that I do want to mention about the meal plans, while it is definitely something that I'm eating and that I like, please feel free to add your own twist on them. Feel free to sub something that maybe you don't like or eat. I think they're very versatile. And this is also very important about the meal plans. Although my diet is primarily a paleo type diet with very low grains, especially wheat and that sort of thing, bleached flour, rice, etc., etc. And yes, I do eat meat, but I also eat very clean, always opt for high quality protein, regardless of what it is, of whether I'm doing a vegetarian dish or a dish with meat, high quality ingredients and protein, okay? But I have definitely been very thoughtful to include recipes that can easily transition to something that is vegetarian, or you can easily change out the proteins. I do have recipes in there that do not have meat. However, it's primarily a paleo diet, okay? If you have not tried that and whatever you are doing is working for you, okay. But if you have not tried it, please try it and see and feel, feel the difference in your bodies, feel the difference in your cycles, see the difference in your fibroids, etc., because at the end of the day, obviously, this is why we are trying to change our diet. If you have not tried it, don't knock it until you try it. Get in there, try some of these things. The recipes are very nutrient dense. They are very much focused on liver cleansing ingredients and ingredients that are going to assist your liver to process and cleanse out excess estrogen, hormones, and whatever else that needs to be processed and cleared out of your body. It's very much focused on protein, fat, and fiber. It is very much blood sugar centered also. Okay, there's not any artificial sugar in this meal plan. There's no BS in here. And I do feel like the recipes are quite simple, and I've been very thoughtful in that. I know y'all got things to do, jobs and kids and families and what have you. So I feel that the recipes in these meal plans are easy. They are also adaptable, highly adaptable. I don't think there's a recipe in there that you cannot throw your own spin on, okay? If there is a salad in there and you are vegetarian and you don't want to have the shrimp, omit the shrimp and put a plant-based protein on there. It's very flexible, but this is the principle of eating. This is an example of how I am eating. I go into a little bit more in depth in that meal plan to really give you a bigger picture of how eating like this has helped me. They're very yummy meals, and it's doing a body good, sweetheart. That's all I can say to you. It's doing what it came to do, and it also has tremendously changed my cycles. I've been very happy with this way of eating. Give it a try. Also, again, watch my other videos about eating for hormone balance, blood sugar, and my diet so that you can understand the whole blood sugar balance piece to it, so that you can really see why these meals are structured the way that they're structured. That 5-day meal plan will be a paid meal plan. It took a lot of work, you guys, okay? So it's not something that I could offer complimentary. However, I'm always thinking about you guys, and I am always so very blessed and appreciative of the support and love that you guys bring this channel. Over my break, my channel hit 15,000 subscribers, and I'm sure at the time that I put this video up, it will be beyond that, because it literally is growing daily. And that makes me so emotional, because it means that finally people are seeing the information that I'm putting out here and that it's reaching you. And that's all that I've ever wanted. So to thank you all, I am going to be offering 15% off of the 5-day meal plan with code GlamPreezy. I know some of you guys are new to my platform and to my channel, and I want you to understand deeply that integrity is something that is very important to me, and everything that I do in this space now and forever will always be with integrity. It will always be with your highest good in mind. This is a safe space for you. So please understand that all of my offerings from here forward and from the beginning of this journey have been with the best intentions. If I am bringing on a product and introducing it to you, if I'm giving you all a coupon code for something that I use, please believe me, I use it every day. I'm not here for the revenue. However, if this is going to be a business and I'm going to bring some real change, it takes dollars, okay? And this is now my job. I do want to be very transparent. My girls know me. I don't play no games about y'all, okay? And I don't play no games about me or my health, and I wouldn't do it with you. So that when you are purchasing anything from me, it is something that has helped me tremendously, and I am doing it in full integrity. Please understand that. So just to put that out there, because I do get comments that I pay dust to, but it's just like, you just doing this to make money, or you just doing this to, girl, please, this is not paying my bills, okay? I wish it was paying my bills, as much research and energy as I put in this, okay? But please understand, it's not, and I wish it was. I digress. So the second announcement that I have for you guys, I'm so excited. I am launching right now a new website called hotgirlhealthjourney.com. Go over, check it out. It's in its beginning phases. It's a landing page for you to not only get the meal plans. It's very important for you to know that the meal plans, both the free and paid, are side by side on the website. The meal plan, it is a downloadable PDF. So once you download it, you have it, okay? Unfortunately, I can't do any returns on it because you already have it, you know, and unfortunately, people do crazy stuff, like they will send it to other people, or they'll screenshot it and do all this other stuff. And now you have intellectual property. I cannot do anything about that. So if you are having any issues, which you shouldn't, but this is a brand new website, if you're having any issues, please email hello@hotgirlhealthjourney.com, okay? Also, you can read a little bit more about my story, my mission for this website and this company, and that is also where I'm going to house all information that has to do with this channel and my journey, okay? So if it is supplements that I'm taking, all of those things will be linked on the website. If it is shopping lists, that will be linked on the website. If I have partnered with any new companies, I'm working to get us a discount code for something really exciting that I'm going to make a video about coming up soon. That will be on the website. I will eventually have research articles linked on that website as well. I got to get those up. Herbal things that I've learned about, that will be on there. Meditations, exercises that I think have worked for me. Books that I'm reading or that I think that you should read. Anything that's relevant to this journey will now be housed over there. I'm trying to think of whatever else that I needed to catch up with you guys about. I have some videos coming down the pipeline, as I've already mentioned. I've got lots and lots of things that I need to respond to via video. So we got a lot coming. We locked in. We locked in this year, okay? I have so much work to do. As far as hotgirlhealthjourney.com, I would like to encourage you guys to go over there and subscribe to the community, because anytime anything launches on that website that may be of use to you, you will have first dibs on it, and you will be able to see what is going on first, okay? I have a lot of people that want to have more of a community-based thing where we can actually chat. I have been looking for solutions to that. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't love Facebook. I do not love Facebook, but it looks like that might be the best place to house this community. So that will be determined very soon. If you have any other ideas as far as where we can chat at, I know that there is Threads, and Threads is something that, like I said, once the new Instagram is up, maybe that's an option. Just to recap, we now have meal plans. We have a free 1 day. We have a paid version of the meal plans, but it is a 5-day breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner meal plan with recipes, okay? That is now on the website as well. You will be getting 15% off with code GlamPreezy, so please utilize that. And all of this will be found on the new website, hotgirlhealthjourney.com. I just want to say how much it breaks my heart every time I read all these hundreds and hundreds of messages and comments about you guys' experience. I just want you to understand and know that I see you, and I admire your strength and your vulnerability for putting your story out there and coming along with me on this journey. It really means a lot to me, but more so it means a lot to this community of other women that can go on and see your story and see herself in that. And there's value in that. More than ever, I realize that we need support. We need to be seen. We need to be heard. I'm here for you guys. I am going to do everything in my control to bring value to this space. And we are in this thing together, sweetheart, because ain't nobody gonna come save us. I wish you all so much love, so much light, positivity, encouragement. I wish I could just give you like a big virtual hug and let you know better days are coming, sis. Please, please understand me. A year ago, I was in absolute turmoil. I did not have control over my body, therefore I was not having control over my life. And I really needed to go on this hot girl health journey. So that's why I called it that. That's why I named it that, because it is so much more than taking supplements. It's a lifestyle change. It's a complete journey. Everything is connected. And so I really, really hope that these new meal plans are helpful for you guys. Since I have taken more of an interest in functional nutrition and really eating for hormone health, as well as pairing that with supplements that are just that, just bridging the gaps in my nutrition, my life has changed tremendously, tremendously. Like I could cry every time that I talk about how much progress that I have been able to make by continuing to educate myself and eating this way and getting to the gym and showing up for myself, advocating for myself, and continuing to seek knowledge. So I just want to leave it on that note right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys so much for continuing to subscribe to this channel. Keep smashing that subscribe button, keep smashing those likes, keep commenting, because it is bringing awareness to this platform. And thank you in advance for supporting the meal plans. This is something that you have run me down for. Y'all, every other comment was, can we get PDF meal plans? So here they are. Okay? Thank you so very much. Hurry up over to hotgirlhealthjourney.com and get your 5-day meal plan with your 15% discount with code GlamPreezy. If you have suggestions, thoughts, comments, whatever, get down there. Holler at me. You know, I got you. If you have not already, whoa, wait, hold on. For those of you who are new to this platform, which is a lot of you, please go and watch my other videos. I will have one linked here, a playlist linked here. We got a whole Fibroid playlist, okay? So binge watch the videos, holler at your girl. I will see you in another one. I love you. Be well, take care of yourself, girl. Happy Black History Month.